Well, here I did a thing. So I got a Duralall, whatever it's called. It's all blue cake. So, and then in front here, which you can see, I got it strapped together. In front here, I have electric jellyfish, two of those, and a thunderstorm in front. So with it, and I also have it fused together. So these are on quick fuses. They should set off real quick. And of course, it's on electric ignition. So this won't go off while these are lighting and going off. And hopefully, the idea is to have like a deep sea theme. Hopefully it works out. We got 34. And I do believe these are 10 shots each. So 10 shots was a 16. Should be a pretty cool show.